Here are some frequently asked questions about gender-responsive pedagogy. 1. What are some of the components of gender-responsive pedagogy? GRP. Answers. Using materials that are relevant to the learning needs of all. Creating a classroom that encourages equal participation and interaction between all students. Using teaching practices that are gender-aware and gender-responsive. Using assessment methods that are gender-responsive. Designing curriculum that is gender-responsive. Creating school management systems that are gender-responsive. 2. How do learners feel about participation in gender-responsive pedagogy? Do all learners feel comfortable participating in lessons? Do they feel encouraged to take part in activities? Answers. GRP promotes equality and can help prevent gender discrimination and promote equality in the classroom. GRP can make the classroom more welcoming for all learners by considering gender in the physical environment and interactions. GRP can help learners feel more included and valued by considering gender in all aspects of learning. 3. How can I make lessons more inclusive? What adaptations can I make to the learning environment, timetable, and activities to ensure all learners can participate? Answers. To make gender-responsive pedagogy lessons more inclusive, one can create a safe space, making sure students feel comfortable participating and sharing their ideas. Use diverse materials, including a variety of learning materials that represent different genders and cultures. Challenge gender stereotypes, using curriculum that questions traditional gender roles. Provide role models, offering students a range of role models who don't fit into traditional gender stereotypes. Mix students, sitting students together regardless of gender, and have them work on projects together. 4. How can I make sure my teaching in a gender-responsive pedagogy environment is relevant? Answers. Some of the actions that one can take to make one's teaching relevant in a gender-responsive environment could be to involve stakeholders, partnering with key stakeholders to ensure everyone has a sense of ownership. Use inclusive language, using gender-neutral language and examples in your teaching. Challenge stereotypes, using examples that break social stereotypes and challenge traditional gender roles. Provide diverse role models, providing students with diverse role models and examples. Mix students up, mix boys and girls in seating arrangements, sports activities, and group projects. 5. How can I make sure my teaching in a gender-responsive pedagogy environment is accessible? Answers. To make sure that teaching in a gender-responsive environment is accessible, teachers can use inclusive language, use language that promotes equal participation and treatment of all students. Create gender-neutral examples, use examples that are gender-neutral or that portray people who break social stereotypes. Challenge gender stereotypes, use curriculum that challenges traditional gender roles. Encourage collaboration, encourage students to work together on projects, regardless of gender. Avoid gender segregation, avoid separating students into separate lines or activities based on gender. Mix seating, mix boys and girls up in the classroom. Create space for reflection, create space for students to reflect on the gender issues they encounter in the classroom. Adapt materials, adapt learning materials to address gender biases and stereotypes. Explore gender concepts and roles from different communities.